Welcome into the video. I'm your tech guy Wayne, and today I want to show you how to reset your Samsung Galaxy Watch FE back to factory settings. What you're going to do is swipe down from the top of the screen, tap on the settings wheel. From here, you'll swipe all the way up to General. From here, swipe up until you get to Reset. From here, once again, tap on Reset. It's going to ask you if you want to back up your data. There really is no need because the watch doesn't store a ton of data. This would only be useful if you had like music stored on it or other things, but most people don't store those things. So just hit reset. And after that, you're going to give it about a minute. You're going to see it reset a couple of times. And you'll know the reset is complete because on the final screen, it will give you a code to basically pair it with a new device. Hope you guys found that helpful. If it was, hit that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.